Hi, this is Fars and welcome back to Farzalozy, and I'm here with another new Photoshop tutorial. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful oil paint effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna use this picture, and for a better result use 3000 by 2000 pixel image size. Okay, first copy the layer by pressing Command and Z or Control and Z, then convert it to smart object. So if you need, you can easily come back and change any value if you want. Okay, first I want to increase the shadows a little bit. I think decrease the shadows a little bit, increase the value of shadows. So go to the image, adjustment, and shadows and highlights, and from here I am going with around 40. So I'm going with shadows around 40%. So you can see the difference. This was the before and this is after. Now you can see a lot of details here, so it's good for the painting effect. Okay, then go to the filter, sharpen and unsharp mask. Okay, so here I'm going with amount 23 or radius 2 and threshold 0, or let's go with 20. Hit OK. Then go to the filter, stylize and select oil paint here. Let's go with the stylization 10, cleanliness 5, scale 5, and bristle detail also 5. So hit OK. Then again go to the filter, sharpen and unsharp mask. This time I'm going with amount 32, radius 10 and threshold 0. Okay, so then again go to the filter, stylize and oil paint, and this time I'm going with stylization 5, cleanliness 0, and then scale 0.1, bristle detail 0. So hit OK. Then go to the filter, sharpen and smart sharpen. Okay, here I'm going with amount around 200, radius 2 and reduce noise 0%. Okay, hit OK. Then you can go to filter, blur and select here surface blur, and here I'm going with radius 5 and threshold, let's go with 8 maybe. Okay, hit OK. Then again go to filter, stylize and select oil paint, and this time I'm going with 10, 5, 5 and 5. Hit OK. Then go to the filter, sharpen and unsharp mask, and this time I'm going with 5, radius 1 and threshold 0. Hit OK. And if you need more sharpness, you can apply another unsharp mask from here. Just go to the filter, you can click here to repeat the last unsharp mask effect. Just hit here and 510. Okay, that's good. It's looking really good already. Let's zoom in and see. This was the before and this is after. It looks nice. Look at the beard, it looks really good. So the basic editing is done actually. Now I want to apply some effect to make it pop. Okay, so for this let's create a photo filter, and here I'm going with deep blue 25%. That looks good. This is the before and this is after. And then color lockup and select here this one, Fuji Eterna 250D Kodak 2395. Okay, then change the blending mode to soft light, I guess. Now look at this. This was the before and this is after. Okay, I think a little warmer vibes, so decrease the photo filter opacity around 50%. And now look at this. Let's zoom in and see. This was the before and this is after. Okay, you can remove the effect or reduce the effect from the eyes a little. Just click on the layer 1, create a mask here, press B to select brush, use a soft, okay, hardness 0%, use a soft black brush, opacity around 10 to 20% or 15%, and just paint over the eyes like this to bring back little detail here. Okay, so I think, yeah, now it's looking good. Look at this. Look at the skin. It looks really great, isn't it? You can paint over here to reduce the effect a little. It's looking really good. So that's it. And if you want this as an action, just comment on the video. I will give you the link. So hope you love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.